Hello everyone. So after waterfall model and incremental model, now we have spiral model. This is the best model, and mostly in companies they use this model. In latest, agile is very famous. Agile model is used by the companies right in these days. But yeah, spiral model is one of them which is popular. So let's see why it is popular. So here, okay, so here as you can see that it is divided into four sections: planning, risk analysis, engineering and execution, and evaluation. Of course, we know that each and every phase of SDLC. So first, it starts with this point. It's initial, right? And for each phase, these are the different phases, and for each phase, we do requirement analysis, we create the prototype, we do the development and testing, and customer evaluation for each and every phase. So what it does, it starts from here. So we are doing planning, right? Planning, and then we do the requirement analysis. So after this, we will do the risk analysis. We will do the risk analysis and we'll create the prototype. Okay, after reaching to this point, here we are doing the engineering and execution process, in which we are developing that particular part of the software, and we do the testing as well. So we are coming over here. After development and testing, for that small part, we are going for the customer evaluation. See, means for here what we are doing, here we are working on small parts, and after completing each and every part, we do the customer evaluation. And when you reach here to the customer evaluation, you get the cost, that okay, after this much of work, after this much of time and work, this is the cost, right? So once you get the approval from your client, you will start the thing next. So again, for the next part, you will do the planning, and for that you will do the requirement analysis. And suppose if something is not right, or if something needs to be changed, so again you will do the same thing, that whatever the change is told by the customer, so again you will do the planning for that. Either it's a new thing or it's a old thing, but you will do the planning, you will do the requirement and analysis. So the same thing, then again you will do the risk analysis and prototype thing, again you will do the development and testing, again you will do the customer evaluation, and when you will reach over here, you will get the cost, right? You will get the cost. So cost is the most important part of this spiral model. It's a beauty, because this spiral model gives you an idea of the costing. So this is how your spiral model works. And this model is, as I say, that this is one of the popular models. So of course, any big software, any big system, or for any complex system, you can use this model. So waterfall model is very basic model, which is not that much popular, so you can use it for the small scale. So okay, so waterfall model is very basic model, right? Normally we don't use it. This is for the middle level systems, like not that small but not that big as well. And this is something which is more popular, which normally we use. The reason is, like we are doing each and everything for each and every phase, and it gives the cost idea of the cost because of this it's a spiral pattern. So it's a beauty of the spiral model. So we are done with all the SDLC models: waterfall model, incremental model, and spiral model.